welcome to the Business Transformation Fireside Chat series with Cisco and Inflow. I'm Simpson and I'm excited to introduce you to this specifically curated series of conversations where we explore top business priorities and technologies that can help achieve them. In this edition of Fireside Chat, we will talk about emerging technologies and how these technologies can help businesses take the inevitable leap into a hybrid future. A carefully handpicked combination of services and solutions which can truly transform the business of tomorrow and ensure customer centricity. Let's explore how Cisco, Inflow, partners can arm businesses with right ammunition for transformation. Today's speakers are Kunal Mittal, Director at Konverge Technologies, Ravindra Soni, Director Sales Enterprise Networking at Cisco Systems, Santosh Sankunny, Vice President Managing Cisco Business at Inflow Technologies, who will be moderating the chat for us today. Handing it over to Santosh to kickstart this engaging conversation.
Thanks, Simpson, for the quick intro. So without much ado, we're going to start the session today. So my first question is to Ravindra. So businesses are today looking or say moving to smart workplaces, right? And most of us are moving there to get the maximum productivity from the workforce. But how can we ensure that we have both visibility and transparency when businesses move to smart workforce? No?
A great question. I think with Cisco's portfolio, right, we're getting integrating the best hardware, software with embedded security to see to it that we are able to monitor and trace how devices are being used and then what devices have access to what data, right? And while doing that, we are also trying to give the best experience, right, to the employees and our customers, right? Now, we would like to meet the customers wherever their wants are. It could be on-prem, where they have usability only on in-house or on-prem, or they could have a hybrid model, right, which is they want on-prem but control from the cloud, or they could go fully cloud, right? I think so we are prepared for any experience or any usage that the customer would like to have, right? Given our extensive portfolio, and we like to make it very simple and deliver those unified experiences to them.
Wonderful, I think. Thanks, Ravindra. That's wonderful insight on what the businesses are moving towards, right? So my next question is to you, Kunal. Businesses moving to the cloud are constantly concerned about security compared to an on-prem business that they run. So how do SaaS solutions address this challenge of customers, and how can a partner like you support the customer on this front?
I think, thank you. That's an excellent question. The most talked conversation of the town is security.
Right.
I think thanks to pandemic that and hybrid workforce that made people talk about security. 2 years back, we used to go to a CIO, to a head IT. He used to talk about how do I make sure that my infrastructure is robust. He used to talk about data center, he used to talk about DR, he used to talk about campuses. Everything has changed in the last 2 years. People are talking about security. How do I make sure my security on-prem and cloud is secure?
Right.
SaaS application, cloud secure is very, very secure. Let me uncover some facts. 82% of the organizations today are either on one cloud or multi-cloud architecture. That automatically means cloud is secure. How Cisco is able to capture the market is with its excellent solutions like software-defined architecture and Cisco SD-WAN. What it does is, it gives you scalability, it gives you reliability, it gives you agility. Today, the major concern in the market is manpower. 3 years back, that was not the case.
Right.
You go and look at people, you tend to not get the right fit for the right job.
Right.
Security is growing. So today, if you move on to the cloud, you can actually manage your applications, you can manage your SaaS with a handheld device or with sitting at home on a hybrid workforce.
Right.
So that automatically means that yes, security over the SaaS is protected. Going by an extended version, Cisco has their own cloud-based security solutions, which is an extended arm of SDA and SD-WAN. People used to talk about user experience. Now people are talking about network experience. Cisco has an excellent solution which uncovers the facts about network experience. So Be it an on-prem or a SaaS, the user and the network has the same kind of experience. So my suggestion would be, if you have not started with your cloud journey, you should take a slow move some applications on the cloud, and then tend to move your non-critical applications, and then move to your critical applications. Larger organizations like AWS, Microsoft, Google are putting on a lot of money to make sure the experience is similar, secured, and the end use is the customer is able to utilize the complete infrastructure securely. So I think yes, applications on the cloud are secure.
Fantastic. Yeah, thanks. Very well said, Kunal. So now, just as a prelude to that, what I would ask is, in a cloud-first future, right, which is what our customers are transforming to, how do solutions like Cisco Meraki, right, enable both business continuity and agility, right? So how does it help?
I'll just move from my first answer. I think Cisco Meraki has the first mover advantage. The only solution which was cloud managed with a centralized dashboard. What that means is you pay as you grow. Today, the major concern of the customers could be in CapEx. Second is the manageability, and third, rightly said, is the right manpower to manage them. Traditionally, the WAN environment was decentralized. That means you needed people to manage it centrally, you needed people to manage it on the branch, campuses, data center, disaster recovery sites. Today, that's not the case. What you can really do is have a cloud-first approach on Cisco Meraki, have a centralized team to manage it. That means you can push all your configurations, policies. The third most important thing is you get the proactive alerts coming from the dashboard itself. Right. You have an excellent reporting. So today, if you talk to a CIO or a CDO, he's not really concerned about what infrastructure you are overlaying. His concern is, I need that uptime to be available so that I do not have any downtimes. A simple dashboard to utilize, which is secured. What that means is, Meraki is just not a cloud-first approach or a network, but it has an inbuilt security. Right. So I think, yes, once people are moving on to the cloud, Meraki as a solution is an excellent solution, and by this you will be able to gain more insights, you will have more control over your business and less of people dependency.
Absolutely, yeah. Thank you very much. I think that gives a lot of clarity, and I'm sure it will enable customers to come out of this journey much faster. Correct. Right? Thank you, Kunal. So next, I think I'll over to you, Ravindra. Now, as Cisco is a market leader in enterprise networking, right? It's been a market leader for many years now. So how do you see Cisco moving forward with its portfolio of solutions within EN?
I think we will continue to be leaders, and we will solve our customers' most important priorities and problems, right? Address them, right? And as I said earlier, it could be on-prem, it could be on the cloud. Getting a full stack solution, right, which covers their entire needs, right? Being from a wireless infrastructure to a wired one, switching to, I would say, helping them to move to a hybrid work experience, a more secure work experience. So I think we will continue to solve our customers' more important business problems and help them, accelerate their business needs, right? Doing it with, with a lot of simplicity and giving them a unified experience on that. So I think that's what our focus will be.
Yeah, thank you, Ravindra. I think, it makes sense. Now, another challenge which most vendors, right, and not just in the IT industry or in auto industry, faced was challenges on deliveries, right? So today, when a customer is planning for a greenfield or a brownfield project, deliveries are becoming an important part of the conversation as to when is the metal going to come, right? So how is Cisco addressing this very critical challenge, right, which most customers are facing?
You're right. I think the last 12 to 18 months, 24 months have been very challenging on delivery for the industry, I think across industries. Right. And we have taken steps, I would say, to mitigate those risks. And our delivery timelines have improved and will continue to improve in the future, right? So I'm confident that we'll have the situation in control the next few months, and we will be able to, I would say, once again deliver in our earlier delivery timelines. I think that's what we are working towards. And we are also, I would say, addressing these challenges that we faced and helping our customers, I would say, plan in time and deploy in time.
Yeah, Thank you. I think that's going to give a lot of comfort to customers who are waiting for Cisco material, right? I think, thank you again. And one more thing which you want to do is in the area of EN again. So what's Cisco strategy? What's the roadmap? Like a lot of customers moving to cloud, lot of moving parts are there, right? There's a lot of shift happening. So what's Cisco strategy on EN, right? What's the roadmap for the next few years?
So I think our roadmap is very clear. I think we will simplify our solutions. We will make them more predictable, more secure, and all this will be just done to focus on our customer, as I said, right? To accelerate their business outcomes and give them the best possible experience to their employees, to their customers, and make a difference to their business.
So Ravindra, the next question is, what is Cisco strategy around EN, and what do you see as the opportunity for Cisco enterprise networking in India? So,
a great question, Santosh. So network is the foundation of everything. Like the network connects everything, every device, every application, every person. It could be on-prem, it could be across the cloud. So our strategy is very clear that we want to be providing a more secure, I would say, get networking and security together, give a more secure experience on the network, get a more unified experience on the network,
right.
And I would say meet our customers where they want to be. It could be on the cloud, it could be on-prem, it could be hybrid. Now, and we also want to address very specific use cases in the industry, right? And with India's economy booming, I think there's a huge potential for us to grow, because in the end, everything's going to connect on the network. And it could be education, it could be hospitality, it could be, I would say, public sector, enterprises. So I think we are across all the segments. And I think it's the best and exciting time to be in networking at this point of time. I think with our focus on SDN, analytics, automation, AI/ML, I think our solutions are going to be futuristic and just be in time to capture the opportunities and create more business opportunities for our customers and their customers.
Right. Yeah, thank you, Ravindra.
Thank you.
So I think that was wonderful insights. We had a great conversation. Thank you, Kunal. Thank you, Ravindra, again for joining us. Thank you all for joining us on this series. Now, stay tuned for the next series on this business transformation fireside chat between Cisco and Inflow. Thank you very much.